It is time for another Stitch Fix unboxing, and this time I asked for a New York City styled box. So I am taking a trip to New York City. It's a long weekend with one of my friends, and so I asked for something that would be comfortable for all day walking, but very stylish because it was going to be set in New York, and we were going to be doing some Broadway shows at night. So I asked for a fix for New York. So let's see how they did. In the past, some of the ones that I've specifically asked for trips have not worked out, but my last one for DC was pretty good. I kept all 5 things from that box, and I wore most of them when I was in DC. So let's see how this box is going to be. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a styling subscription service, and you do pay a $20 styling fee, and anything you buy in the fix does go toward that $20 styling fee. But if you do not purchase anything, then you are out the $20. It's free shipping and free returns. It does come with a pre-printed label for you to send anything back that you're not interested in. And then you get a note from your stylist, and it looks like Kirsten is my stylist. I think she's been my stylist for the last 2 fixes. So this will be the first one where I've given her a challenge to give me a New York City style. And let's see how she does. So here is the bundle. It looks like I'll be getting 5 things this time because it's a very thin bundle. I do always request 8. I even send a note with the stylist to try to get 8 pieces. And it seems like lately I've just been getting the 5. First up is this blue dress. It has a rib texture. Britton, the Vivianne tiered dress in blue size medium. So does this have pockets? Yes, this has pockets. So we'll see about that. And then this is from We Wonder, the Performaluxe Sleeveless quarter zip in pink size small. So it looks like this must be oversized because they sent this to me in a size small. And I can see that it is definitely looking oversized. But I love that color. And that was actually in the preview. And that is one of the 2 things I kept from the preview. Okay, I can already tell I'm not gonna like this. This is from Spruce. It's the sleeveless mini t-shirt dress in burgundy, size medium. This dress would be pretty good for walking around New York with some sneakers, except that it's striped, and I really don't care for stripes, and I specifically state that all the time that I would prefer to not get stripes. This is the other thing that I kept from the preview, and this is a pair of shorts from Spruce, the Sora 4-inch A-line shorts. Finished him in white size 8. So I thought, let me try these. I'm looking for a new pair of white shorts. So we'll see if those are gonna work. And then this looks like a pair of white pants from Studio Blue. It's the Siena high-rise crop wide leg jean in white size 8. So we'll see how those fit as well. So let's get on to the try on. So here's the first outfit. It is that scuba knit, that Air Essentials style quarter zip in this sleeveless style. And it does have zipper pockets in the front. They're not kangaroo pockets, they are side pockets. She sized down to a small in this one, and I'm not sure. It is a little fitted. I might have preferred this in a medium, but I love the color. I think it's a great color. And of course, I can't resist a quarter zip. Then I paired it with these bottoms. They're supposed to be a crop style. They're hitting me right at the ankle. These I think are from Studio Blue, and they fit pretty comfortably. So this is a cute outfit for spring and for summer. She said your note made it so easy to focus on relaxed, walkable pieces that still feel cute for Broadway nights. So this is the first outfit. The top is from We Wonder. It is $49. The jeans are from Studio Blue, and they are $78. So I just get the top on with these shorts. I do like these shorts. They feel pretty nice. They've got this patch pocket style in the front, back pockets. They're a good length, and I like that they're a wide leg because I do have thicker thighs, so I'm always looking for a really wide leg so that I have lots of room. They're nice and stretchy, so I think these are more of like an off-white. They say they're white, but they are not as stark white as the pants or the jeans that I just took off. So I think I like these. I like the length of these. What do you guys think? And I like it with this top as well, but I'm not sure. Should I size up in this top to the medium, because she did size down to a small in this one, because I'm assuming that it usually runs oversized. These shorts are from Spruce, and they are $59. So this would be perfect if it was a solid. I do not like stripes, especially this red and cream stripe. I'm not a fan. I like that it has this side stripe on the side of this. It doesn't have any kind of pockets, but this is a perfect dress to just walk around in New York. So I think that this was kind of on point as far as the style, but I do not like stripes, and I don't think they're very flattering on me. So this dress is from Market in Spruce. It's $49. So this is the last thing, and I do like this dress. It's got side pockets. It's got a ribbed material and a texture, and I really love that texture of it. This is just a cute dress that I could wear with my sneakers and throw a crossbody on and walk around all day in New York. But I mean, this is great for summer here. I love to just throw on a dress because it's that one and done kind of thing. Easy breezy, and I love these sleeveless dresses. There's lots of room and stretch, and I just really like the texture of this rib detail and that it has pockets. It's a good length right at the knee, and I love the color of this one. So I do think I really like this one. So this is from Britton, and this one is $45. So I had said that I was going on a trip. I wanted a New York City styled box for things to walk around during the day, and then we were going to be doing Broadway shows at night. And I was going to be going in late April. So probably by the time that I get this out to you guys, I've already had to make a decision on whether I'm keeping anything. For this one, I think I'm going to have to make the decisions on my own. I think I really do like this dress. This dress is the $45. I don't like the striped dress at all. I don't like stripes. The coral color top I really like, but it did show my bra on the side, and I don't really like that. And I'm not sure if I kind of like the style after all, even though I do love a great quarter zip. I did think it looked really good with the white bottoms. So as far as the white crops, I did just pick up a pair of Wit and Wisdom white crops that are so similar to that. I don't think I need two pair. And then the shorts, I do like the shorts, but the shorts are $59. So that's quite expensive for shorts. So the total for all 5 of these pieces is $280. If I bought 5, got the 25% discount, $70 off. Then that makes the total $210, and I did not have a styling fee because they waived the styling fee if I got like a back-to-back. So I went ahead and did that, so there's no styling fee. So the total for all this box before taxes is $210, which is not bad for the 5 items. That's a pretty reasonable, probably one of the lower ones that I have gotten recently. So I think if I do keep anything, it's going to be this dress and the shorts. I actually really want to keep this dress if I only buy one thing from this, because I just love how comfortable it is, and this would definitely get packed with me as long as the temperature's right. I've been looking at the temperature, and it's going to be like, it's 80s this week in New York, but then next weekend when I'm going to be going, it's going to be like a high of 65. So I'm not sure if I'm really going to be wearing this around or not for the temperatures, but I do like this dress. I can get lots of use out of this dress. I can take this on my cruises and things like that I've got planned later this year. So definitely I can keep this one. I have been looking for a good wide leg, white bottom that's not too thick with the denim material. So I do like those shorts. So if I keep anything, it's going to be the shorts and this, or maybe just this. Definitely not the striped dress. I just don't like the stripes, and it just was not very flattering at all on me. And I'm still debating on the top of whether or not I get that top or not. So what do you guys think about this fix? Do you think this fix was a New York City style fix? It's not really what I had in mind, but she did an okay job on curating this box out. I would have liked to have had 8 items for this one like I requested, so I could have had a little bit more choices to choose from for the trip. So what do you guys think? And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button for me, you guys. And also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.